a power switch. Power state is shown as if there is given state is A, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 elements in power switch A. Number of elements, number of elements 3. We have to find the power state of A. Total possible subsets, total possible subsets of any given set is called power set. Total possible subsets. How many subsets are possible allows when we power, if there are 3 elements, then we power 3 over base 2. The answer will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. It means the possible subsets of set A will be the 8. If there is total elements 4, then the possible subsets will be 2 to the power 4. It means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Now we want to solve the power state of A. Power state of A. You know that empty set shown as 5 is also a subset of any set. Now we are making set having only one number, one element, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. Now we are making a set having 2 elements, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3. Here also 3. Now an improper, not proper subset but improper subset, that is the same, 1, 2 and 3 is also a subset. One empty set, 3 sets having only one element, 3 sets having 2 elements, and one improper subset means the same set. If we count these sets, total sets, 1 and 3 will be 4, 4 and 3 will be 7, 7 and 1, 8. Therefore, there are 8 possible subsets. The number of possible subsets of set A is 8. For the power set, when we show a single power set in this, we put all these sets in these brackets in this way. Empty set, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is called the power set of A. Okay? Thank you.